Right.
So, your Tuesday video is going to be a bit different this week. It's more of a workout video. Something a bit different. Let's get into this video, let's have a look for this little explore. Right, so yeah guys, this is probably going to be one of the last videos on this GoPro. Simply because you may have noticed in some of the other videos, but see that little mark there? That's a chip I've taken out the screen. You know, indestructible, all this blah blah, I found a way. But this is a pretty cool, something different, some industrial history. And I'm at an old ironworks. Well, the derelict remains, let's say, but it's not, you know, it's just natural, which is quite cool. Just the way nature is reclaiming the place, opposed to it being vandalised, etc. There's just buildings after buildings. And there's lots of remains of old cars. And there's just stuff everywhere, guys. I don't even know where to begin. It's a little something different to the usual explores, should we say. As you can see, it's just the way stuff is. This, you know, you've got something under there buried. It's just parts everywhere. A lot of it's just fallen back down. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take you over. In my eyes, there's two main buildings here. One which is behind this structure here, and one that's over there. So let's get over to them. As far as we stand, guys, we're on top of one of the bigger structures that here. You know, some of it is pretty much solid. Other bits have collapsed through. I'll show you that from the inside because it is pretty damn cool. Here's a look down on in. See in the far corner, it's got that like barn looking building. That's quite cool. I'm excited to show you that. It's probably the nicest bit here. We've just been setting tyres on fire, and as you can see, it's bits of all sorts really. Some bars. There's literally just, to be fair, stuff everywhere. So we're now entering what basically remains of the structure. Where it just literally just was. The place is just pretty trash, guys. There's not a lot here. I know, would this been old showers maybe at some point? Literally what remains of everything. I'm trying to show you a room, I think it's down here. The way the bow in the ceiling is, the way it's just started like naturally crumbling down. Ah, here she is. Look at that. I'm hoping you can make it out. I know it is a bit dark in here, so apologies. The roof is just like that. It's not something you'd fancy coming down on you, put it that way. Yeah, there's just bits of cars everywhere. Maybe the experts in here can tell me what this is. Well, what remains of this anyway. Can't see a lot. You've got a front strut and it's got a disc brake on it. So eagle eyes, if you know what that is, any ideas, let me know. I was going down the route of, you know, XR2, Nova, that sort of era. I bet the woods is literally full of them around here. It's just simple things like this, guys. Look at this. The way just the barrel is just like naturally rusted, and it's still just leaning there basically. See the old windows. Old tiling, possibly a toilet block at some point. Yeah, toilets must have been, when it toilets or showers, the way the walls are. You know, opposed to ironworks, it's got a pretty much an old, like, RAF base feel about it as well. I've done quite a few bases over the years and it feels sort of similar. So you can see there's mattresses in there, bench in there, so I'm not sure if someone's been sleeping rough at some point. I do feel sorry for people like that. I know some of them it's their own choice, but some of them, you know, can't help it. This is the reflection room. Yeah, I'm literally going to walk you over to the one more, well, to the other building. I see condoms in here as well. Wherever floats your boat, I suppose. But let's walk you on down to like the big barn looking, which is probably the best. And we'll end it down there, guys. Right, so here we are, as promised, guys. Here's that big barn, industrial looking building. Just reminds you of something you see out in Kentucky, that sort of style. So on this would make a pretty damn awesome garage if it was in a bit better condition, let's be honest. But industrial at its finest. Yeah, I can imagine like maybe all spare parts would have been in there, nuts, bolts at some point. It is pretty cool, see the old tracks, the rails. I'd have loved to have seen this back when it just, well, basically just closed down, before nature started claiming it back. I know that is annoying, because it's annoying me when I'm recording. I promise this is going to be the last video with it. Well, depending on which order I put this video up. And yeah, that is the old ironworks. Hope you've enjoyed it. As per usual, check out the channel for other stuff. Lots more videos coming. We're approaching summer, so it's going to be a lot of explores. I know I probably think I got about 30 to 40 locations already lined up. And that's not even the revisits. So yeah, let's get on it. Take care, guys. Travel safe. And I'm going to stick to my 30 mile an hour speed limit as I walk out here.